Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'll be celebrating Bonfire Night with my mum and her boyfriend, and it's going to be awesome. So we got some sparklers here that we're going to be using, and then this little thing I created. I don't know why, I just did this at this thing called Sulfur Daz. Go check it out. Go look on Google and you type in Sulfur Daz with a Z, not an S. So I hope you go and look at that. Yeah, so we create stuff like these. This is like a mini bonfire thing to go inside this the burner thing that we're doing. So it's going to be like that with sticks in it, and then we're just going to be playing with these. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So we'll be back when the fire started. And there we go, my little creation is burning. This is quite enjoyable actually. What's the matter? And my family's not being careful. No, just I'm talking to the viewers. Do you want to say hi, Mum?
Hi, viewers. Happy Bonfire Night.
Hope you're enjoying the night as much as we're enjoying it. I am very good at crafts. Inside. Oh, look at that. Oh. The stick is bending in and out, which is really cool. Look at that, Mum. The sticks are bending in and out. My mum is just lighting the sparklers. Get your big buddy out the way.
Okay, go. Darling.
I haven't had one of these things in ages. That's the name of my mum.
Camera with our aperture, and leave it on for a long time.
Yeah.
And you do
This
that,
is
and
Vax
the lights
night.
come out and it comes out in the photograph.
Really?
Yeah.
I may or may not got the corner of your face, but I don't care. You don't see your eyes that very well. Mine's almost ending.
Oh, I'm going to get another one before it
I don't.
ends.
Look at this, guys. Beautiful. Best bonfire night ever.
Oh, it's not finished yet, is it?
Nope. Yours is still like there.
The orchestra.
Doodle doo doo doodle doo.
See, look.
Oh yeah.
Mine's ran out.
Circle. Yeah. Put it in that bucket of water. That's it, yeah.
Oh, it's warm. You got warm hands, Mum.
See, look.
Look at our beautiful garden, guys. Mac worked really hard on it.
He did.
You guys are totally playing with the sparkler, aren't you?
You can't do it too, can you?
No, I can't. It'll be a safety hazard.
I'm doing a figure 8.
Infinity! I can't do it. There we go.
I'm doing an 8. Ooh. M.
Oh yeah, I do not want any mean comments down below, guys.
Okay.
I am having fun.
S. S. So yeah, you like one up.
He's a professional.
Yeah, you like
Put your
one.
finger on it, will it burn me?
Probably.
Of course it will, yeah. He's testing us.
We created a fire charge. I'm genius. So we're going to put C, H, E, Y, E, N, N. I spelled N wrong. E.
What is it then?
Love heart.
Because of doing that. Pretty fast.
Special shout out to Hound.
Look at your dog.
What? Okay.